rainy day. A rainy day brings cool winds, dark clouds, and refreshing showers. The trees and plants look greener and more beautiful after rain. Children love to play in the rain and float paper boats in puddles. The weather becomes pleasant and gives relief from heat. People carry umbrella and wear raincoat to stay dry. Sometimes roads get muddy and water gets collected everywhere. I love watching raindrops fall on the window glass. The sound of rain feels peaceful and calming. On rainy days, I enjoy eating hot snacks like pakoda with tea. A rainy day fills my heart with joy and makes everything look fresh.